general manager this week, right?
Yep.
Okay, what's your company name?
Our company is Motley Chew.
And where are you guys at in the project right now?
So we just finished off the trucks for the train wheels to mount onto. We're just starting on a pin shaft for them to pivot on, and then we're going to connect the other company's wheels to our trucks.
Perfect. And have you run into any issues this week thus far?
Making square tubes out of 1/8 plate is proving a little bit difficult, but we've been figuring it out. So.
Okay. And how's your company dynamic working this week?
That's pretty good. We've all figured out our roles pretty well, I think. So we're going to switch it up next week, but this week's been pretty good.
Perfect. Do you want to show me some of your project thus far?
Sure. So we've got the one set of trucks and then the other one that are getting centered, and then the center pin is going to be what it pivots on.
Use this time now to subscribe.